Harrison, what a special place we're in, the Faroe Islands.
Yes.
And more special than that, the only sushi restaurant in the Faroe Islands is right here.
We are front of the Etika.
Etika, yes. And we're going to be meeting with the chef, Chef Cob.
Yes.
She's been working here since the day it opened, basically 12 years. And it's incredible what she's done here. All right, Harrison, let's go. Let's check it out. Harrison,
Hi.
how are you?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We are so honored to be here today. We are at the only sushi restaurant in the Faroe Islands. And we are joined today, Etika. We are joined today by Chef Cob.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
We saw
You're
your beautiful
welcome.
dishes in the background. And what a beautiful restaurant.
Thank you.
And you guys have been here for about 12 years, right?
12 years, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long have you been here?
I have been working here since we started in 12 years.
Wow, amazing. That is
Yeah.
wonderful. So
Yeah.
today we have some very special dishes.
So I'm gonna make two dishes.
Okay, what are the two dishes?
One is with salmon,
Okay.
rolled sushi. One is another one is shrimp. It's very special shrimp we have.
Okay.
So we're gonna make kind of ceviche and salad kind of between.
All right, let's do this, Hiro.
Sure. So today we have a salmon
From Back of Frosta, of
Yes.
course. Yes.
and langoustine,
Okay.
and of course salt and pepper,
Okay.
and the lemon, avocado, and red onions,
Okay.
and olive, cucumber, microgreen, and chives, and olive oil, mirin, ikura, and cream cheese, and honey, and spicy mayo, and eel sauce right here,
Okay.
and then the sushi rice here.
Wonderful.
Yes. Then I'm gonna use, of course, one is a roll, going to be roll, so sushi nori here.
Okay.
Yes.
Over here.
So basically, I'm going to make two recipe.
Okay. Very good.
Yes.
Let's start.
Let's start it. Okay. First dish, I'm gonna go with langoustine.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have not. This is like the mantis shrimp. It looks like it, right?
Yes.
Very similar.
This
tail
has a long, and how they call it, rope.
Yeah, the long
Long
claws. Yeah,
one.
yeah. I wonder if these oranges are from Florida, Hiro. What do you think? I wonder if these oranges are from Florida.
Coming from Florida.
You never know, right? Can you imagine if they are?
Could be.
Somebody from back home. Or California.
So Faroe Islands and Florida kind of collaboration.
Oh yeah. A little tropical.
Tropical and the winter.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to take the orange. Now. Olive oil. Little bit meeting. Honey. Lemon.
Here we go. Hiro-san, what do you call this dish? It looks so good.
Langoustine.
Augustine, carpaccio.
Question mark, question mark, question mark.
We'll let our guests decide, right?
Yeah.
After they try it. But bring a little sunny South Florida to the Faroe Islands. This is going to be a really tropical dish, delicious. It's not on the menu, so we can't wait to get the reaction. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much.
If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you very, very soon. Thank you, Hiro.
See you next time.
All right, we have some really discerning guests today. We have Paul from Back of Frost, Petra from Back of Frost, and also we have Chef Cob. We hope you like it. Enjoy.
Thank you.
All right. Go ahead, Chef. Kind of like a tropical ceviche,
Yeah.
something like that.
Very nice. Very nice. Fresh. Very nice.
Refreshing and fresh.
Yeah.
Okay, Petra,
Yeah.
you are a very big sushi connoisseur. Let's try.
Big bite.
Good?
It's okay?
Pretty good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Paul,
Ooh-ha.
Oh my god.
enjoy.
The big bite. That's a thumb up.
Thank you very much.
All right, very, very good. Hirosan, you should eat it too.
Sure.
Come on. So this is very, very simple. A lot of fresh, fruity ingredients. A little citrus. Not bad, right? In Miami, we had mango too, because we have access to a lot of mango. But here, orange is good too. So. Well, thank you so much, Hirosan and company. Thank you so much for having us. Mr. Paul, we have Petra, and also Chef Cob. Thank you so much for inviting us.
You enjoy it.
Right, we have another recipe coming, and can't wait to share that with you. See you soon. Here we go. Look at this again. Beautiful spread by Chef Cob here. And Etika. Hirosan, go ahead. Everything looks so good, huh? And this sauce I tried has a little lemongrass flavor in it. A little torch salmon. You never thought coming to Faroe Islands you'd find a fantastic sushi restaurant, right?
皆さん、こんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルがスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のね、サブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. And in the future, a lot of videos coming. Also Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned and more subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.